Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Nordvpn subscription and request a refund. First, go to the Nord account website. Log in using your email and password. On the left side of your account dashboard, click on the section called Billing. This is where you will find all the details about your current subscription. In the Billing section, look for Auto Renewal. Next to it, click Cancel. A new option will appear asking if you want to confirm the cancellation. Click Cancel Auto Renewal to stop your subscription from renewing automatically. Now that your subscription is canceled, let's request a refund. To do this, you need to contact Nordvpn support. You have two options. You can send an email to support@nordvpn.com, or you can start a live chat by going to support.nordvpn.com and clicking the chat icon in the lower right corner of the page. Once you reach a support agent, ask them for a refund. They will provide a link to your Nord account dashboard where you can confirm the refund request. Refunds are usually processed within 10 business days. The exact time depends on your payment method. You will also receive an email confirmation once your subscription is fully canceled and your refund has been approved. And that's it. Thanks for watching.